Gus, the gentle giant of the minion world, and Mel, the cunning strategist, were an odd couple. Gus, with his kind heart and towering stature, was often found in the minion garden, tending to the banana plants. Mel, on the other hand, was more at home in the lab, scheming and plotting with a mischievous glint in his eye. Their paths converged during a particularly chaotic mission. A rogue experiment in the lab caused a freak accident, and a strange, glowing substance enveloped both minions. As the light intensified, their forms began to merge, their bodies intertwining in a surreal spectacle. When the light faded, a new minion stood in their place. Taller than Gus, but with a more compact build than the gentle giant, the new creature was a fascinating blend of the two. It had Gus's large, kind eyes, but with a hint of Mel's cunning intelligence. Its hair was a curious combination of Gus's soft, yellow curls and Mel's slicked back style. The other minions watched in awe as the creature began to move. It was as if two souls were inhabiting one body. One moment, it was Gus's gentle nature shining through. The next, Mel's clever mind was at work. Surprisingly, the new minion seemed to find a balance between the two personalities. It retained Gus's compassion and loyalty, but combined it with Mel's strategic thinking. The result was a minion unlike any other, a gentle giant with a sharp mind.